What is going on YouTube? Burning Wheel here, and today we're going to have a content. And for today's content is we're going to check the Dota 2 update, which is the hero that we have been waiting for months, guys. For I almost forgot, bro. I quit Dota for a while, because of the bad recordings. When I record, the lag will start start doing get it. It's you can't record because of the lag. Stuff like that happens. But in my condition, my PC is not good at the moment because of the lag. I don't know, lag going on. Like I need to reformat my PC just so I can play games like this, and I'm having a problem because of this. So that's why I only do reaction videos and stuff. But today we're going to check the update. So the Ringmaster here. If you can, I don't know if you saw the. Hope you saw the trailer, but I was kinda disappointed because of the ult. I already saw some in the Facebook stuff like this. Let's see.
Itchy feet?
It's better than the trailer.
I'm the leader of this show.
Okay. Add enemy and enemy. I add enemy and ally.
To battle!
Level up. Level up.
Rest is for the dead. Axe runs.
Let's
Let
check
me
it,
go.
guys. So na po yung talent niya, guys, no? I'll speak two languages as usual.
Nothing would please me more.
So you need to utilize your talents. Very useful talent.
Like a real boy.
Hindi na mga no? Isa, Frederico, ang isa.
Getting in gear.
Ano yung skill 1 niya? Okay.
Yes.
Mura lagi kay Koan. Kitsa ito. Kitsa ito na hero basta.
Enemies need killing. Step to it.
Kay Koan. Dark Willow. Na skill.
Mistakes.
Once si Koan mo, pangalan niya is Tame the Beast. Channel Dream Master throws his whip for up to 1 second, then cracks it. But reduces the radius. So dili na makontrol ang one wait. One. Isa ra gyud siya na position sa isa ra siya na target, yun di siya mo.
Wind me up.
So use this. Dapat
Places
dapat
people
kabalo
would
yung
pay to
kamukantan
fight.
like parati timing ba? Like tira ka dira, tukad ka dira. Sana.
But unlock.
Yeah. Ano siya kay Dark Willow na skill?
My master should
Almost
have
close.
built with wheels.
Kisa pa. Mga siya katong sa Arcana ni Queen of Pain na good katong whip niya. Basta mag-ulti si Queen of Pain.
Just because I say.
So, sa trailer, meron yung si Jigsaw. So, 4 seconds siya guys, no? The longer the better, no? So, ang duration niya is 1 to 4 seconds. Pag 4 seconds, if it's 4 seconds, you need to wait until 4 seconds to deal more
I got a
damage.
spring in my
Then
step.
1 second on the small amount of
Let's go.
damage at enemy gain. But if 4 seconds, muda ko ang fear basta kuan. Okay lang. Pero kung 1 second na ang fear, quick lang yun. Pero mas ayos ginang 4 seconds mula to. Dapat timing ni mo siya napadto siya dira rin yung fear.
Axe
Isa pang
charges.
quick
This
kada.
circus travels.
Ang skill to is pick ang Alediros di ano din. Packs himself an ally hero here to a mobile extra-dimensional box units gain phase movements, low resistance, bonus magic, resistance, movement speed, targetable, muted. So kung naigamay na
Enemies need killing.
low HP mo. Hindi yung skill 2 ba para dili maigo.
To the
Hindi sa mga
enemies.
salvay. Maliyok man lagi siya. Hindi maliyok.
Axe go.
Pero kat may gamay na circle. Ano siya, diretaman. Diretaman sa circle na ipakita. Ayos siya git pang support na yun. Ultra.
Axe runs.
Yun siya ito pag mo. Sarang. Ang hero din mo. Hindi, dili ko din. Sharay mo kaya.
To battle.
Sharay mo mugya. Hindi sa kanya.
Taste my
Here.
blade.
Yun lang skill 3. Tulo ka mo. Impalement arts. Throws one of his daggers. Strikes the enemy. Target deals impact damage. If this knows the unit hit, it's going to bleed. Okay, QP siya na
I think I can handle it.
kung skill 1 wala ka to. Sa'yo, skill 1.
Step right up.
May laban na dagger.
Do me a favor.
Okay. Parang
Take the show on the road.
Cut and run.
almost the same sa kay QP na skill 1. Pero kanina kay upat. Upat kabuk duration. Spood. Ay, ang max charges raday pag dito ko ang pag maupat ni makakuha na mo siya, ma-level ni mo siya. Level 4 na yung skill 3.
Places
Tira na rin, upat na rin ang duration sa impalement arts.
This circus trap. This is
Axe
Mas
charges.
slow siya gamay.
stakes.
Well, next,
Into war's
been
teeth.
waiting for this ulti, bro.
Getting in
Let's see the ult. Mati. Toasted. Hindi siya kaliyok. Pero kung layo siya,
For the dead.
pero masuyop siya.
Axe run.
Basta mo. Okay. Akong makapatay ka giro tingali. No, activate niyang kuan, skill 4. Let's try daw guys silang mga skill. Allied heroes. Unda ako siya.
Axe charges.
Temporarily gaining 50 strength. Okay. Use kiri siya pang support na hero ba? So next down, sa pa next. Saan yun? Illusion? Saan eh? Oh. Whoopee cushion. Mura kay Snapfire na skill ba eh? Kata skill to, Snapfire. Basta tagag-cookie ang hero ba?
Wind me up.
Yes mo siya.
And one for you. Walking is
Yes siya.
paramount.
Support. Last but not the least, illusion ata ni kay mo na yung perfect image of hero.
Let me go.
Illusion. Pwede matag sa hero.
What? No advance.
Pwede matag.
I just want to
Dili. Ikaw ready makagamit sa illusion niya rin. Para magamit. Good sira sa doon. Pero ang ulti lang din na yan ba?
Enemies
May...
need
Ulti lang din na yung spawn. Pati ba? Di ka presa itong sa trailer ba?
scouting location.
May kamag-count ba? Ano lagi na bro? Jigsaw.
The show on the road.
Lang kita mga to sa trailer guys.
One gear in
Kung
front.
say kwan, birawan dyan sa kwan, sulod sa back. Kinso nga. Ano sa tawag na ayun? Ito na ako. Basta. Charot.
I think
Moto yung ult yung nakita sa kwan. Train lang. Wala oy. Dahil may giyata dyan. Ako giyata dyan ito. Tanong ka na kayo, madala ka ba? Walang ma-taunted yung kwan. Kalaban. Good sir siya. Mga attack ba? Pang... Ayun siya, gumito dahil. Sunod. Biton ko ni pag in-game. Gusto po dahil ang ulti niya. Not that I demoed it personally. Was not really that disappointing. So, ano, maayos tingnan nila ng bago nila. Hindi mo gana ang Jigsaw pag wala hero. Of course, sama ko yung tirahan. Wala. Pata na yung maka-refresher ni ba, no? Ooh. Okay lah. Pero guys, ni Boy, nahirap mo. Tingalin ang gamiton ba? Basta ako ni mag-log. Anyway, ayos siya. Ayun, hinta na to check yung koan. Reload out. Ay, sara yung koan. Ring master is still new to the spotlight. This face it. That's it to yun natin. So, wapa siya face it dahil. I think sa next natin yung next update mo tingnan ito na tira na time na taga-attack ko. Hanggang karon wala pang bago pang gi-release. Gapon na ata ni gi-release yesterday. Ulat ang ta. Na yung update na yun. Pero good siyang kwan. Skill good for supporting. Good for hero guys. Well, naman yung mga some random people will use this hero to what do you call that, destroy the mechanics, something like that. Like they will use this as a carry hero. Even the guide items are support. Pero lagi mo gubaan eh, broken hero yun yung may mga discover ba, the players will discover broken builds. That'll be so dang. Terial daw tayo, Terial. Let's try Terial guys.
To battle.
My pleasure.
Ayos siya pag ultihan mo siya. Ultihan. Makatakas mo siya kung doon siya sa kuwan. Doon siya dari. Makatakas siya. Kung doon siya sa gawa sa circle. Ay, doon siya sa exit sa circle ba?
It's a cemetery.
Good sila. Tam tarabambam. Sama ni nga. Sheesh. But anyway,
Nothing would please me more.
kung gusto face it, yaring talent. Gamiton ganyan niyo siya guys. 75 tayong base radius. Okay. 200 escape arc. Range, cast range. Support yung ka na hero. I think gamiton ganyan mo ang kaning 200 plus 200 escape arc cast range. Kaya gamit kini siya when it comes to supporting. Next is level 15, Impalement Arts, penetrates one target. What do you mean penetrates? Then debuff immunity while channeling Tame the Beast. 50% magic resistance. Grant. Nahuman. Debuff while channeling the tame beast. Huh? Kusabot.
Only one way to tame
Good
unruly
day to
beasts.
fight.
Nice.
Oh, kusabot ay kung sa debuff ba? Then kanina team 70 plus 300. Wala siya. Kung may bala na guys, ay hindi yung kabalugit sa mga uban anis nila. Anyway, let's try checking the other updates. Okay, di hunta ni disappointing. Masalah. Kumara sa last. Sad na wa tay budget para palitan ni nila naman kay. Gitu kay na kadula mo gud eh. Tanay budget ani. Balik na tingali ko pero ako mag-explore pa kog other games eh. Chess Team Fortress 2 mo ginay number 1 ako ginadula. Okay, check. Review. Compendium. Okay, Compendium International. Lang. Balik sa ta. The winning filmmaker wins $25. The top 10 will be shown at the international. Okay. It's good. Grabe na eh. $5,000 bro. Dapat poor yun yung mukuhan ka na ba? Hard work. Damn, imagine. Imagine no, ikaw rin magbuhat sa video na makadaog top 1. Kuha naman 25. Damn. Imagine. Di ko siguro na. So, be, saan eh? 3 fantasy crafting rules, 3 bingo tokens, o kabaluan na. Loading screen. Okay, loading screen sa mga team. Ano chat wheel, permanent. Oh, okay.
See you later, nerds.
See you later, nerds. Old. Pero pa ka daw ka na. Ano gamit niya siya last last battle pass. Ano naman nakadaw ka na. Pero kaning see you later, nerds. 3, 2, 1. Adi, kaning wow. Yes, gigamit po na siya sa guild. So, dream mo guild daw guys. Gamit niya siya sa guild ng ane. So kung maka-platinum inyong guild is makakuha kag ato libre 3 chat wheel. Then next is teleport effect. Level 1, level 1, level 2, level 3. Oh, napay cover. Okay, kuan man na may ring master like kuan ba? Ang style karon ba? Okay. Wow. Tani. Collector Ages. Good luck guys. Say kinana na. Next is the International 24 hood. Okay siya. Okay ra po. Then capsule, effigy, of course, versus screen. Tingalan eh pero murag ka-press gyapon natong sa isa. Pero abot lang ako ka-try pa, di mo na ito matry. Ay, event over naman eh. Anyway, if we play the game, maybe we can find some players who use that, you know. I mean, not who have that. They will eventually use that anyway. So, money fantasy, obalo, rako, nakana, bingo, money siya tingali sa tara bingo tokens. Talent. Oh. Sheesh, mo gini yung last. Manintan mo na ako to sa last few months. Ganahan ko ani. Gustong palit ani. Permanent mangod siya. Tapos sila pagigakuan ba? Okay lang eh. Murag karawag ko ano niya, Sun Fun.
Oh no! I don't understand what just happened.
Okay. Nice. Next. What? Okay. Okay siya, pero yung price, parang no. It's a no. Pero kung ganahin kong palit, ano yun? Oh my goodness. Di ko kayag palitan eh. Nga na price. Kanina kadug ko niya.
I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid, stupid, stupid.
It's Tommy time and it won't be that hard. We gather friends
Okay.
to get a free shot.
So, ang baka na nato na sila guys. Katara tong mga naibalan kayo mostly.
You see, that
naibalan.
right there is why I love this game. You get the wards and I'll get the smoke. It's time for a gank, so we better not choke.
Okay. TFE.
Good try, little bro.
What?
Mwah. Absolute cinema.
No man. Look. Lizard. Turkey. Jenkins. Kadug ko ani si Jenkins. Okay. Prostitute level.
I see dead people.
Oh. Yes na siya. Backup, Jane, Fear, Johnny, Sender, Tsunami. Oh, Tsunami. Nakakuan ko ano yata.
Imagine if you had BKB.
Oh, ayos na eh. Ayos na siya pang dula. Mag-ingon ka, permanent mong spam. Kanang labo na imong carry nimo. Support ka na roll imong carry. Walay BKB pero may maka-high blood kayo. Gamito na nimo guys. Chat willing ani.
Imagine if you had BKB.
Woo! Nice.
Chat, is this real?
Okay lang. Pero imagine if you have BKB. Palitan yung na doon. No joke kung nakalkarta. Wala na Philippines oh. Yun.
Yun! Galaw, galaw, galaw! Giling, giling, giling!
What?
An outstanding play from an outstanding player.
Bro, I would definitely buy this one.
Yun! Galaw, galaw,
Per-
galaw! Giling, giling, giling!
Tsunami and Stanix Fire. Kailan na nila? Alam bro, nakakita ko anin niya. Di ako sa'yo.
Oh, come on! The dire due door! Radiant Ragluslos!
Naku, nakita mo good nila na lang documentation. Dili to documentation. Basta vlog lang nila. Nilang kuyog si OD Pixel, si FE. Isa pa ito. Tara na ako. Isa to. OD Pixel. Utang kuyog bato si Jenkins. Anyway. Tumuli sila no. 6 pila sila kabok. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Wagamama. Wagamama.
Whatever, man. First game
First
win.
game of level. It's the first game. Ayun, okay lang yung uban. Oh. Wait. Si Aris.
Are you not entertained?
Oh.
Good one, bro. You got me.
Ang makon sila do gamay kay lang isultihan pero nauntay uban dagan dako yun kay kuan storya.
Oh, my little baby! Oh no! My baby!
Oh my goodness, Lax. Kira. Pero definitely na pa lang ko budget ani paliton yun ako ni si kuano. Kay John X Fire dayon si tawani. Asa to siya si kuan. Tsunami sa Tsunami.
Imagine if you had BKB.
That's nice. Kira. But anyway, check na natin one way. I'm curious ka ba? Guys.
I can't wait to hug you.
Oh, Russian man ha? Russian man.
I'm the goat.
Oh, guys, lagi niya eh. Ay, the good. Woo, guys, lagi na. Next, Tuki. 你好。
不听不听，飞鞋点金；不打不打，带线推塔。
Okay.
你要是看得懂我的操作，你就去打职业了。
Di ko kasabot mo. Sorry kayo. Circus music, maribay. Prias, manikay koan. Slacks. Fear.
Grandpa Slug.
Dude.
Dude, you're so good. You should be at like
Naglayan
GI
sa
or
ko kay
something.
koan. Ano yun?
am the goat.
Mountain na ako. Anyway, wala po ko'y budget ang palit. So, sadly, no, na maagian na ito rin eh. Yun kabalo kung when na ni sunod na ito maagian na sad. Yeah, next year, of course, ambat lang. Hopefully, next year, pero nante tayo budget. Pero tayo budget. Excuse me, guys.
No, I'd win.
What?
Ooh, I'm about to make a name for myself here.
Okay. Lang.
Ooh, I'm sorry, that was the wrong answer.
Bum bum bum. Why not take a team fight?
Oh, you saw na why not take a team? No way, mo kay ano uban.
That's crazy, bro. Do it again. Do it again.
Scam lagi niya eh. Isa ka chat 12, 1,000 kapin na. Pass!
Latu.
No flame, but I think we need to make some changes.
Okay daw, balay. Anyway. Pick that soul, guys. Para may lain. View overworld. Saan siya? Oh, forgot. Naday nga nila eh. Asa na ito ma-view gali ang kuhan? Ready ba introducing... What? Napay comic? Kidding me. No? Lagay. Oh. Next lang muna tayo. Gusto lang, ito makita eh. Tara. Hala! Lakpang Spires of Skywrath. Sama na. Girelease nila una ang kuan. Duda ko sa ko pala eh. Duda ko sa ang Spires of Skywrath ma-release ay September. Nakabutan na rin sa Road to the International September 4 to 10. The International September 13, 15. Kaya ang mga September 4 to 10 qualifiers. Kung sa itong mga qualified na gamay na lang nabili na team is mo fight sa September 13 to 15. Dito na rin maingon kinsa ang the TI Champion. Pero as of now wala pa. Pero na mga mga prediction lang na ako na ma-release ang Spires of Skywrath. Pero I think before September tingali, pero August lang. Pero maybe hopefully or after tingali sa international ng Spires of Skywrath. Abot na. Mao ka baligid lugid. Ano na natong prediction. Naya naman na si Gavin, guys. Ano na. Palagot kayo sa size Gavin, guys, ay umbot. Well, anyway, mao na to siya, guys. Ang collector cache is grabe ka outstanding ang collector cache karon, guys. Sus, kung nala lang budget palitan ko ni tanan ginojo. Naos na Fireby. Ang naka-disappointing pag ni kay next PA, look at PA, bro. Ang persona niya, tapos katong nagpalit siyang persona katong last battle pass, wasted our money, bro. Sunod din akong palit ba ito na ning cache. Mipo is okay. 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 Tabes. Mo ni guys, mo nang palito na ako ni siya, guys. Look at that galaxy. You can see galaxy in here, guys. It's okay. Marta, wala tayo set kid kay Marta. May galing nagbutang sila. Even though gamay kay ang kwan niya. Votes ata di. Not sure. Queen of Pain. Ayos ay Queen of Pain po no. Marag Arcana ba yun? Pero, alay kwan effects. Wala ambient effect pa. Tiny. Ara guys, level 1 niya. Turtle. Second turtle. Third turtle. Fourth turtle. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my days. Libre ng persona niya, guys. Sheesh. Move yun ang ganahan ko ang punong persona. Sunod tayo Wind Ranger. Ay, di ba ito persona kay Wind Ranger? Oh my days. Arcana man ito kay Wind Ranger ba? Pero si Pata kay ano dyan na yun eh. Kalagat ay. Ayasan ay. Na-apply kwarta pala itong tanong. Dua-dua. Oho. Na-apply isa guys. So nawa guys. Realistic ang iruan ni guys. Saan ang iruan na. Uy. Nang loan na. Murag kay. Yung tanawon sa tanayra. Mura siya sa kakatong basta na yun eh. Cover siya mata. Mura siya sa frozen throne na si anti-mid sa owner. Kasi. Yun na. Nintan akong ngalan niya. Basta itong magkuhan siya na cover dari. But guys, napay much better. Ladig dark silhouette pa na. Oh, napay kuhan guys oh. Effect. Mauni guys ang mapapawaw ka na lang. Model. Sound. Wait. Okay. Naka-date na. Tara guys. Oh my days, bro. Healing ward. Sheesh. Kira. Patan niya eh. Marasag sa kwando. Nanintan ako. I forgot eh. But this is top tier guys. Top tier. Snapfire in this one. It's a win-win for me. Then Pudge. Quite disappointing. Anyway, okay naman siya. Pero yang hukray ayos ata. Pero grabe. Comment good ya. Gabuhat aning kuan ba. Grabe lang. Grabe ka realistic pa no. Ay animation ba. Pero bay kani gido. Abutangan ni Arcana nung tay blue type ani ba no. Ay ato ta jag. Bing. Suoto na tog Arcana din. Ya din Kashi din ba? Kashi din ya guys. Uy, asa yung Kashi? Ali, asa yung Kashi guys? Lambi, demo lang nato. Demo. Sama ni ay. Sa kuan. Fiji, dire na to i-demo. Click. Then demo hero. Dito din na to adda no kuan na yan. Tawa guys, na color bluean niya, grabe yung wow ni yun. Ang ancient exile niya na type noon tay model 1, model 2. Model 1 is red, model 2 is blue. Mo gina siyang magpaayos magkapra sa Arcana ba, pero I don't know, tara na to karon. Ayos ba siya sa wait ka sa excuse me, red or blue? Ayos sana. Let's see. Loading dugay kay do galag gadi mo guys, muna yung nakabati sa akong kuan PC. Balag gadi mo siya. is loading yapon. Muraga in game. Wait, bro, wait. Kailangan nyo na ito ipa-reformat niya itong PC, guys, if you want to play games. Not unless we play offline games while recording. That will be another thing. Okay, Nana. Okay.
You have summoned.
Oh wow. Nang buk-buk sa likod. Uy.
Prepare for battle.
Kuadda na to kuan. Siyang ulo. Wait. Pwede ba ni maadan? Pwede ba nata nanta? Sig mabalik sa arkana ni siya ba? Pwede man dere oh. Huh? What? Pwede di mapalit? Binuang ni. No guys. Piki. 27 pesos. Anong klase ito? Binuang nata ni bay. Kidding me. Nah, naga eh. Unsa naman eh? Nay? Nabagro tingali na eh. Binumpang por 87 pesos eh. Sama na. May arkana niya ba? Turn to them out.
As you wish.
Oh, ano na suot? Wala man niya nasuot. Sama na eh. Bukan na. Mana? Ayun ka na. Wait. Kuha na sa arms. Sa legs. Sa back. Kinang back, legs. Kana, legs. Healing ward din yan na kani. Ano ba? Ano ba? Mana siya? Bay, sa mani. May ang head daw. Turn to the knee.
We were once Shinera was the last of his kind.
Ano siya? Oh, ayos ka rin niya. Uy.
As you wish.
Sheesh. Oh, wow. Copy kayo.
Already moving.
Kira siya guys. Well, I think that's all for today guys. For today's content. It was nice checking this update guys. Hands up sa mga gabuatan you know. Mad respect right there. I just guys when it comes to changing your loadout and stuff like experimenting, equipping different items in your use one of the kind guys, one of the privilege if you have the budget, but if not I don't even know no more guys. But anyway guys, it was fun checking this out. Monisha kira nag-equip ang kuha na SS niya. Let's try. Nice try. Anyway guys, that's all for today's content guys, and that was fun checking this update. It was really nice. I think that's all guys. Hope you share this video guys, and make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and to the video, guys, and click the notification bell. And of course, hopefully you watch my other videos. I'll be so really appreciate it. Thank you for watching this, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Peace out. Burning